Goodnotes 2025, the academic all-rounder. Goodnotes is widely known for its smooth handwriting experience and powerful organization tools. It's perfect for students who like to take structured notes and annotate PDFs. It's perfect for students who like to take structured notes, annotate PDFs, or even create flashcards. You can type or write by hand. It has folder and tab organization. It works well with Apple Pencil, and now it's available on Android and Windows too. Great for people who like to combine reading, highlighting, and writing in one place. Why use it? If you're a student or professional who likes keeping everything organized and polished, GoodNote is your best bet. Notability, the lecture note taker's best friend. Notability shines when it comes to recording lectures or meetings. Its standout feature that you can record audio while reading. Its standout feature is that you can record audio while writing notes, and it syncs the handwriting with the audio timeline. You can replay what the professor said as you were writing a specific point. It also supports handwriting, typing, PDF markup, and even math equations. Simple and user-friendly design. So why you use it? If you're in school or attending meeting often and need to record and review later, Notability gives you that edge. Freenotes, the creative and free option. Freenote is completely free digital notebook that doesn't lack essential features behind a paywall. It's perfect for journaling, creating notes, and casual schoolwork. Offers aesthetic templates, brushes, and stickers. Very beginner friendly and lightweight. Best part, you don't have to spend anything to get the full experience. So why use it? If you're a student on a budget or you love journal, sketch, or make cute notes without worrying about payments, Freenotes is a great choice. Kilonotes, the aesthetic note taker and planner. Kilonotes is a stylish app that blends creative design with productivity. It's great for making visually pleasing notes or using digital planners. Comes with decorative tools, layers, and a Photoshop-like feel. Ideal for digital bullet journaling, offers cloud backup and sync. Why use it? If you like your notes to look pretty and you enjoy digital planning and scrapbooking, Kilonote gives you that aesthetic freedom.